Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about the importance of public speaking and presentation skills for your career. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Public speaking and presentation skills play a crucial role in career development across various professions. Here are several reasons why mastering public speaking and presentation skills is essential for your career. Effective communication. Public speaking and presentation skills enhance your ability to communicate ideas clearly and concisely. Being able to articulate your thoughts persuasively is vital in conveying your message to colleagues, clients, and superiors. Career advancement. Professionals who can speak confidently and present ideas effectively often stand out in the workplace. Executives and leaders are frequently required to address teams, make presentations to clients or stakeholders, and represent their organizations at public events. Building credibility. A strong presentation demonstrates your knowledge and expertise in a particular subject. Colleagues and superiors are more likely to trust and respect individuals who can convey information convincingly. Networking opportunities. Public speaking engagements provide opportunities to connect with others in your industry. Networking at conferences, seminars, and other events can open doors to new collaborations, partnerships, and career opportunities. Handling Q&A sessions. The ability to handle questions and answers with confidence is a crucial aspect of public speaking. Being able to respond effectively to queries during a presentation showcases your depth of understanding and adaptability. In summary, public speaking and presentation skills are essential for career success. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, seeking to build credibility, or looking to enhance your leadership abilities, investing in these skills can significantly contribute to your professional growth. I hope that you liked the video and to follow our channel for more career tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.